Hello everyone. If you try to parallel record a audio file with a sound recorder while you are making videos with your iPhone, you may find that there is a problem when you try to synchronize the audio file with the video. A couple of weeks ago, I brought a Tascam DR07X sound recorder to improve the stereo sound quality of my video. And very soon I encountered a problem. I cannot synchronize these two, the sound audio file with the video. And I can show you here in iMovie. Well, you can see here on the bottom part, the green part is the sound audio file recorded by the sound recorder. And you can see at the beginning, you can see from the form of the sound wave, the beginning of these two files are perfectly synchronized with each other. But if we move to the middle of the file of this video, let's see. For example, here, you can tell by the form of the sound wave, the sound wave peak from the green audio file comes a little slightly before the sound wave peak from the audio. That is to say, the independent recorded audio file is not synchronized with the video. If we play the video while keeping these two sound audio files together, we will hear the same sound twice. You just heard the motor engine roving twice. And based on my research, it has something to do with the format of the iPhone video. iPhone video is encoded in a relatively new format, the HEVC format. This is a relatively new format, and what you need to do is try to find a software that can convert audio file from one format to another, and you can try to transform it into a H.264 format, and your problem will be solved. Your problem of synchronization will be solved. Thank you.